Hi all, today I am going to talk about the causes of relapse in orthodontics. Relapse is the tendency of teeth to return towards their original position after orthodontic treatment. It is one of the most common challenges faced after successful treatment. The main causes of relapse are as follows. First, periodontal and gingival fiber elasticity. After tooth movement, the periodontal and supracrustal gingival fibers remain stretched. These elastic fibers tend to pull the teeth back to their original position if adequate retention is not provided. Second, continued facial growth. Growth of the jaws, particularly the mandible, continues even after orthodontic treatment. These growth changes can alter the position of the teeth and contribute to relapse. Third, unstable tooth movement. If teeth are moved beyond the limits of the supporting alveolar bone or placed in an unstable position, they are more likely to relapse. Fourth, muscle imbalance and oral habits. Habits such as tongue thrusting, thumb sucking, nail biting, mouth breathing, and abnormal lip or tongue posture exert continuous forces on the teeth, leading to relapse. Fifth, inadequate retention. Failure to wear retainers as instructed, poor retainer design, or stopping retention too early are among the most common causes of relapse. Sixth, poor occlusion. If proper intercuspation and occlusal stability are not achieved at the end of the treatment, teeth may gradually shift back. Seventh, periodontal disease. Loss of periodontal support reduces tooth stability, making teeth more susceptible to unwanted movement. Finally, third molars. Although their role remains controversial, impacted or erupting third molars have been suggested as a possible contributing factor to lower incisor crowding in some patients. To conclude, relapse is a multifactorial problem influenced by biological factors, continued growth, habits, occlusal instability, and inadequate retention. Therefore, proper treatment planning, elimination of harmful habits, and long-term retainer wear are essential to maintain a stable orthodontic result. Thank you.